Some places shout for attention, Sikkim whispers. Tucked in the Himalayas, Sikkim was once a hidden kingdom, a secret kept by the mountains. Its treasures aren't monuments, they're its mountains, valleys, and people. Beauty is in the details. A field of barley in golden light, a child's smile. We'll make the pilgrimage to sacred Gurudongmar Lake, a place of stunning beauty and deep meaning. This is a journey into the quiet, whispering heart of the Himalayas. Sikkim's whisper is an invitation to return, again and again. The road to North Sikkim is an adventure, beginning in Gangtok and winding along the mountains. The Tiesta River roars below, wild and untamed. The journey is slow and bumpy. Nature is always in charge. As you climb, forests shift and the air cools. Waterfalls cascade across the road, baptizing travelers. Permits are checked, reminding you, you're a guest here. Each bend reveals new beauty as you ascend. North Sikkim is not just a place, it's a passage into another world. After a long climb, we reach Lachen, Big Pass, a quiet village among the clouds. Traditional wooden and stone homes huddled together, bracing against the mountain winds. Lachen's charm is its simplicity. No fancy hotels, just authenticity and peace. The Lachen monastery sits on a hill, prayer wheels turning, flags sending blessings across the valley. Lachen is the last stop before the high-altitude desert and Gurudongmar Lake. The spirit of the mountains is all around, and you are ready. Before dawn, we set out from Lachen to Gurudongmar Lake. The world is frozen and silent as we climb higher, leaving green valleys for a stark, high-altitude desert. The sky deepens to brilliant blue. Snow-capped peaks rise sharp and clear. Gurudongmar Lake, at over 17,800 feet, is one of the world's highest. The air is thin, every breath an effort, but the sight of the lake erases all hardship. The water is a glacial blue, impossibly clear, surrounded by pristine white peaks. This is a sacred place, named for Guru Padmasambhava, founder of Tibetan Buddhism. Legend says he blessed the lake, leaving a patch that never freezes, even in the harshest winter. Locals consider this water holy, taking a little as a blessing. Standing by the shore, the wind is fierce, the silence profound. Prayer flags flutter, carrying hopes for peace into the world. Here, you feel small, yet connected to something vast and timeless. Gurudongmar is both breathtaking and humbling, a reminder of the Himalayas' power and mystery. The lake leaves a mark on your soul. You carry its peace with you. The journey here is a pilgrimage, not just a trip, and you leave changed. If Lachen is the gateway to the high desert, Lachung is its lush, green sibling. Nestled in a deep valley, the Lachung River runs through the village, houses linked by wooden bridges. In spring, hillsides explode with rhododendrons, red, pink, white, a riot of color. Lachung is the base for exploring Yumthang Valley, Sikkim's Valley of Flowers. In spring, wildflowers carpet the meadows. In winter, snow transforms the valley into a wonderland. Yaks graze by the river, and hot springs offer warmth amid the snow. From Lachung, the road climbs to 0 point, where the world ends in a panorama of snow and sky. The journey is rugged, the air thin, but the beauty is unforgettable. Lachung itself is gentle and welcoming, home to the Lachungpas and their unique traditions. The monastery is a place of peace, the people warm and hospitable. Staying here feels like stepping back in time. Life slows, and nature surrounds you. The valley's beauty and the people's kindness make Lachung a true paradise. Here, you reconnect with nature, with yourself. The dreams of the valley linger long after you leave. This is a place to simply be. North Sikkim's beauty lies not just in its landscapes, but in its people and culture. The Bhutia communities of Lachen and Lachung, of Tibetan origin, have thrived here for centuries. Tibetan Buddhism shapes every aspect of life. Monasteries crown the hills, prayer flags flutter on every home. Gompas are the spiritual heart, filled with chanting monks and vibrant murals. Festivals bring the community together, masked dances, music, rituals, and celebration. Legends and folklore abound, stories of mountain deities, hidden valleys, and the elusive Yeti. Nature is alive here. Mountains, lakes, and rivers are seen as living spirits. This belief fosters deep respect for the environment and a tradition of conservation. Daily life is simple and sustainable. Pastoralism, agriculture, homes built from local materials. Food is hearty and warming. Thukpa, momos, butter tea. Experiencing this way of life is humbling and enriching. It's a reminder of the beauty of living in harmony with nature. The culture here is a tapestry, colorful, resilient, and deeply spiritual. As a visitor, you are welcomed into this world. The lessons of the mountains are quiet but profound. Here you find connection in every story, every smile. Our journey through North Sikkim ends, but its magic lingers. These places are more than destinations. They change you, challenge you, and reward you with beauty and peace. North Sikkim is fragile. Its future depends on mindful travelers. Tourism brings opportunity, but also risk, pollution, cultural dilution. We must tread lightly, supporting local communities and preserving heritage. Protecting Sikkim means protecting a vital part of our planet's soul, its glaciers, ecosystems, and ancient cultures. As we descend from the mountains, we carry the silence, the blue lake, the sound of prayer flags. Sikkim teaches that the greatest treasures are often hidden and quiet. The call of these mountains is a call to explore, respect, and preserve. We are all stewards of this wonder. Let us ensure future generations can hear the Himalayas whisper. The journey may end, but the memory and the responsibility remains. Sikkim's magic is a gift to cherish and protect. The adventure.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.